Want huge, healthy harvests without spending a dime on fertilizer? Today, I'm sharing 11 compost hacks that turn kitchen scraps and garden waste into free plant food. Stick around till the end, there's a bonus trick you won't believe. Hey gardeners! Welcome, where we make gardening simple, smart, and budget-friendly. If you're new here, I'm so glad you found us. Hit like if you love free plant food, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a garden hack. Let's dive in. Hack number 1. Kitchen Scraps Goldmine. Let's start with one of the simplest yet most powerful hacks, your kitchen scraps. Every carrot peel, potato skin, onion end, and leftover fruit core you normally toss in the trash is actually a treasure trove of nutrients just waiting to nourish your garden. Here's how to use them. Collect all your vegetable and fruit scraps in a small container or bucket designated for composting. Over time, these scraps break down into nutrient-rich, dark compost that your plants will absolutely thrive on. Think of it as turning yesterday's leftovers into tomorrow's healthy, lush harvests. But it's not just about feeding your plants. Composting kitchen scraps reduces waste, keeps your garbage smell-free, and is completely free, a win for both your garden and the environment. And here's a little secret most people miss. Layering different types of scraps, greens, like vegetable peels, with browns, like shredded paper or cardboard, speeds up decomposition and creates a balanced, supercharged compost mix. A bonus tip: chop your scraps into smaller pieces before adding them. This helps them break down faster and makes the compost richer and more uniform. Imagine walking into your garden and seeing your plants thriving because of what you would normally throw away. It's a little magical, isn't it? Once you start seeing your kitchen scraps as plant food instead of waste, your whole approach to gardening will change. Hack number 2. Eggshell Boost. Here's a simple but powerful hack that many gardeners completely overlook. Eggshells. Those little shells you usually toss into the trash are actually packed with calcium, an essential nutrient that strengthens plant cell walls and helps prevent common problems like blossom end rot in tomatoes, peppers, and even some fruits. Here's how you can use them. Save your eggshells, rinse them lightly to avoid odor, and then crush them into small pieces. You can sprinkle them directly into your compost container or mix them into the soil around your plants. As they slowly break down, they release calcium into the soil, giving your plants stronger stems, healthier leaves, and better fruit development. But the magic doesn't stop there. Eggshells also improve soil structure, helping it retain moisture while staying loose and airy. This is perfect for root growth, allowing your plants to establish a strong foundation. And here's a little bonus tip. Crushed eggshells can also act as a natural pest deterrent. Scatter them around seedlings or along garden beds to help keep soft-bodied pests like slugs and snails at bay. Hack number 3. Coffee grounds magic. All right, coffee lovers, this one's going to make you smile every morning. What if I told you that your used coffee grounds, the same ones you throw away after your morning brew, are actually a free, nutrient-packed fertilizer your plants will absolutely adore? It's true. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, which all help plants grow lush, strong, and deeply green. Here's how you can use them. Once you've brewed your coffee, let the grounds cool and sprinkle them lightly into your compost container or directly onto your garden soil. They help create a perfect balance between greens and browns in your compost, speeding up decomposition and adding valuable nutrients. Now here's a little secret twist that most gardeners miss. Coffee grounds aren't just about feeding your plants, they also help improve soil structure. When mixed into the soil, they make it fluffier and better at retaining moisture, which means your plant's roots can breathe and absorb nutrients more efficiently. Plus, worms absolutely love coffee grounds. They'll be drawn to your soil, aerating it, and leaving behind worm castings that make your garden even more fertile. And there's more. Coffee grounds can even help deter certain pests like slugs and snails. The texture and natural compounds in the coffee can make them think twice before nibbling on your tender greens. A quick tip. Use your coffee grounds in moderation. A light sprinkle or mixing them with other organic matter is perfect. Too much and it can make your compost too acidic. For an extra boost, mix your grounds with crushed eggshells and banana peels. Together, they create a powerful, natural fertilizer blend that covers almost every nutrient your plants need. Hack number 4. Grass clippings gold. Here's something most gardeners throw away without realizing how valuable it is. Grass clippings. Every time you mow your lawn, you're literally cutting down free, nutrient-rich plant food. Instead of bagging and dumping those clippings, save them. They're loaded with nitrogen, the essential nutrient that helps your plants grow lush, green, and full of life. You can use grass clippings in 2 powerful ways. First, toss them straight into your compost container. Mix them with brown materials like shredded paper, cardboard, or dry leaves to keep the balance right. This combination heats up your compost pile naturally, speeding up decomposition and giving you dark, rich compost in no time. Second, you can use grass clippings as mulch. Just spread a thin layer around your plants, especially vegetables and flowers. This helps lock in moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. The clippings slowly break down, feeding your plants as they go. It's like nature's slow-release fertilizer that works 24/7 while you sit back and watch your garden flourish. And here's a bonus tip. Always let your grass clippings dry out for a day or 2 before adding them to your compost or garden beds. Fresh clippings can be a little too wet and might start to smell or clump together if added right away. Once they're dry, they blend beautifully and break down evenly. Hack number 5. Shredded paper and cardboard trick. This one is going to change the way you see your trash forever. Your old newspapers, cardboard boxes, and paper scraps are not waste. They're actually compost gold. Most gardeners focus only on kitchen scraps, but composting needs to balance what we call the green and brown ratio. The greens are things like vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, and grass clippings that add nitrogen. The browns, like shredded paper and cardboard, add carbon, which keeps your compost healthy and odor-free. So instead of tossing that junk mail or old cereal box, tear or shred it into small pieces and mix it into your compost container. It helps absorb excess moisture, prevents clumping, and creates air pockets that let oxygen flow like magic. You'll notice your compost stays fluffy, breaks down faster, and smells clean and earthy instead of sour. And here's a quick pro tip. Avoid glossy or colored papers with heavy ink because they can contain chemicals that don't belong in your garden. Stick to plain paper, cardboard, or paper towels, and you'll have a compost mix that breaks down beautifully. And here's where really cool. Worms love cardboard and paper. If you're doing small-scale composting in containers, adding shredded paper gives worms the perfect bedding and food source. Hack number 6. Citrus peel power. Here's a hack that smells as good as citrus peels. Instead of tossing orange, lemon, or lime peels, chop them up and add them to your compost container. Citrus peels are packed with nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, all essential for healthy plant growth. But here's the secret twist. Citrus peels also help deter some common pests like ants and slugs while enriching your compost naturally. Just make sure to chop them into small pieces so they break down faster. Imagine turning leftover fruit scraps into a natural pest-fighting superfood for your garden. It's like giving your plants a little spa treatment every week. Quick pause, garden friends. If you're enjoying these hacks so far, do me a favor. Hit that like button and drop a comment below telling me which hack you're most excited to try. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Join our growing garden community and make sure you never miss a tip that can save you money and grow your garden bigger and healthier. All right, back to the hacks. Hack number 7. Tea leaves treasure. All right, tea lovers, this one is for you. Every time you brew a cup of tea, you're holding a tiny bag of garden gold, and probably don't even realize it. Used tea leaves, whether loose or from tea bags, are packed with nitrogen, potassium, and a range of trace minerals that your plants absolutely adore. Here's how it works. Once you're done with your tea, open up the bag or use the loose leaves and sprinkle them directly into your compost container or around the base of your plants. As the leaves break down, they release gentle nutrients that help your plants grow greener, fuller, and stronger. Plus, they improve the texture of your soil, making it softer, more breathable, and better at holding moisture. That means less watering and happier roots. But here's the part most people don't know. Tea leaves also help attract earthworms, and trust me, that's a good thing. Earthworms are nature's little gardeners. They aerate the soil and leave behind nutrient-rich castings that supercharge plant growth. So when you toss your used tea into the compost, you're not just feeding your plants, you're building an entire ecosystem of life beneath the soil. Hack number 8, hair and fur fertilizer. This one might sound a little unusual, but human hair and pet fur are secret superfoods for your compost and garden. Every strand is packed with nitrogen, which is one of the most important nutrients your plants need to grow strong, healthy, and vibrant. Instead of throwing hair from your brush or pet grooming sessions into the trash, save it and sprinkle it into your compost container or mix it directly into the soil. Here's the magic. As the hair and fur slowly break down over time, they release nutrients that enrich the soil naturally. This not only feeds your plants, but also improves soil structure, helping it retain moisture and stay loose, perfect for strong root development. It might take a little patience, but the payoff is incredible. Lush, thriving plants with minimal effort and zero cost. Bonus tip: mix hair and fur with other compost ingredients like vegetable scraps, shredded paper, or grass clippings. This balances carbon and nitrogen in your compost, speeds up decomposition, and keeps your compost smelling fresh. It's amazing how something most people throw away can become a hidden powerhouse for your garden. Once you start using hair and fur, you'll see your plants respond with bigger, healthier growth, and you'll never look at your grooming routine the same way again. Hack number 9, banana peel boost. Here's a hack that's as simple as it is powerful. Banana peels. Instead of tossing them in the trash, chop up your banana peels and either bury them directly in the soil near your plants or toss them into your compost container. Banana peels are packed with potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, 3 nutrients that help flowers bloom brighter, fruits grow juicier, and leaves stay vibrant. But here's the secret twist. Banana peels don't just feed your plants quickly, they also improve soil structure over time, helping it retain moisture and stay loose, making it easier for roots to grow deep and strong. And the best part, it's completely free and eco-friendly. Imagine turning something that would normally be garbage into a natural energy boost for your plants every week. Your garden will literally thrive on it. Pro tip: if you want an extra fast boost, blend the peels with a little water and pour it around your plants as a natural liquid fertilizer. It's like giving your garden a nutrient-packed smoothie. Hack number 10, aquarium water wonder. Here's a hack that most gardeners completely overlook, but if you have a fish tank, you've got a hidden treasure right at home. Every time you clean your aquarium, don't dump that water down the drain. Aquarium water is packed with nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, the exact elements plants need to grow big, strong, and healthy. Pour this water directly onto your garden soil or into your compost container. The nutrients in the water act as a gentle fertilizer, enriching your plants without any chemical additives. Even better, it improves soil structure, making it easier for roots to spread and absorb nutrients. Your plants will literally perk up almost immediately. Here's the magic behind it. Fish waste contains dissolved nutrients that are already broken down, so plants can absorb them faster than traditional compost. It's like giving your garden a natural energy drink. And the best part, it's completely free, eco-friendly, and reduces waste from your fish tank maintenance. Imagine turning a simple chore, like cleaning your fish tank, into a garden-boosting ritual. Your plants get richer soil, stronger growth, and healthier leaves, all without spending a penny. Hack number 11, compost tea supercharge. Here's a game changer for gardeners who want to maximize every bit of compost they make: compost tea. Instead of letting your finished compost sit in a container, you can turn it into a liquid fertilizer that your plants drink up like magic. Here's how it works. Take a handful of your finished compost and soak it in water for 24 to 48 hours. Then strain the mixture and pour the dark, nutrient-rich liquid directly onto the base of your plants or around their roots. This liquid is full of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, and beneficial microbes that improve soil health and stimulate rapid growth.
It's like giving your plants a power-up drink that's completely natural and completely free. But here's the bonus twist most gardeners don't know. Add a few crushed eggshells or coffee grounds into the water before soaking. This gives your compost tea an extra punch of calcium and nitrogen, supercharging the liquid fertilizer to help your plants bloom bigger, grow stronger, and produce more fruit or veggies than ever before. Imagine this. What was once just scraps from your kitchen and garden becomes a liquid elixir that feeds your plants, enriches the soil, and helps your garden thrive. It's effortless, eco-friendly, and completely free. Once you start using compost tea, you'll wonder how you ever gardened without it. Here's the bonus hack I promised. Sprinkle a few crushed eggshells or coffee grounds into your compost tea before soaking. This adds an extra punch of calcium and nitrogen, giving your plants a supercharged growth boost that's completely natural and completely free. Imagine turning scraps from your kitchen and garden into a liquid elixir that makes your plants happier, stronger, and more productive than ever before.